So I did something. And now I gotta unpack it. But here it is. This is the Cadet XT-1 LT-50. I'll explain it all afterwards, but first let's unwrap it.
All right, well, I'm gonna do the battery right now. So I've seen other people do this, and I think they're doing it wrong, but we'll see. We shall see. Let go. So, I don't know if you can see it or not. Some people say to put this on this way, like that. But if you do it that way, the cap here doesn't come on right. I think it needs to go straight on like that. I'm going to try it and see if it works. I don't know. We shall see. Since I'm doing one, I might as well do the other at the same time. One thing you got to watch out is, I don't think it'd do too much damage, but you got to remember this battery is, you don't want to put this across your battery accidentally. I left the black ground here plate on it just so that I wouldn't screw up. Because usually if there's a way to screw up, I'll do it. Wish I had a little cup here to put my tools, parts in. Put them on here and hope they don't fall off. How's that? Okay. Alright, let's get this one off. So, I don't know if I included this, but there's a little bit of controversy which way these should go. Some people have been putting them on this side here, but then the thing doesn't mount. I think you want to make it flush, like right on top of it. And it can probably go off a little bit to the side, like right like that. So what you got to do is you got to put this piece in here. Of course, it's easier said than done. At the same time, this has to go down onto it. That maybe? Ooh, look at that. I think I got it. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my screwdriver at first. And I'm going to try to just put it right in there. Then I'm going to switch out, go to my ratchet. You have no idea how hot it is out here. I mean, it's probably only 80 degrees, but man, I'm dripping wet. The humidity is just unreal. Okay, that's on there tight. And then what this is going to allow me to do is put this right over it, like that. Now I know that's at a little bit of a bend, but that'll work, and it covers it. Alright, so the way I've got it, the boot is on there completely. I don't know if you can see it. The boot is on completely. This is on. Everything's out of the way. I think that's good. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this hour meter on it. I wish it came with it, but this is real easy to do. It just costs a little extra money. So apparently my cat thinks she owns, or he owns, a tractor. Oh, he does not. This here piece, I don't know if you can see it, that piece has to come out. So I'm just going to put this on here. It should pop out easy. Alright, I made that a lot harder than it has to be. So the wire's right on there. This just pops out. The wire's right on here. Next thing we gotta do is take this out. The big question would be, which way does it go? And it's got a part number on the top. It's got a part number up here. So I believe it goes like this. But, you know, you can always just turn it on after you do it, so. Cat. Alright, so the lip is on this. This has got to go up. This is where the lip is. That plugs into that, so it goes like this. I really should show you this. Alright, we're going to try this again. Hopefully you can see everything now. So this is the connector here. The top of it is got the letters or part number on it. It's also got a little lip on here. Hopefully you can see. And that basically goes in here. Again, hopefully you can kind of see that. It just snips on. Push it in like that. And that goes up here. And the same thing, just pushes on. And I think that's it. Okay, so this is the sticker that goes with it. And of course it goes on there. But before I put that on, I gotta make sure that that's on right. So I'm just gonna turn the mower on, power. And it's coming up 12.3 volts, 0.0 hours. So it's on right. And we're just going to put this right there. And that's it. It was pretty easy to do. I would, instead of using the screwdriver like I used, I would use one of them plastic pry things so you don't, this is all plastic, you don't want to really bang it up. If you have a cat, you probably don't want the cat to do it, because the cat just wants to sit everywhere and sleep. So anyway, that's that. So there it is. And you can see when I turn it on, 12.5 is 0.0. That's it.